Hey beauties, welcome back to Musktips. If your skin looks patchy or uneven, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll share simple natural remedies and daily habits that can help you even out your skin tone and bring back that healthy glow without chemicals or expensive products. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Why skin tone becomes uneven? Before fixing it, let's understand why it happens. Uneven skin tone or hyperpigmentation usually comes from 1. Sun exposure, causing dark patches or tanning. 2. Acne scars or inflammation. 3. Dehydration and lack of exfoliation. 4. Hormonal changes or stress. And sometimes, it's just neglecting your skin barrier. But the good news is, nature has everything your skin needs to heal and balance itself. Natural remedies. Let's start with some simple, effective home remedies. All these can be used 2 to 3 times a week. Remedy 1. Turmeric and honey glow mask. Mix 1 TSP turmeric, 1 TBSP honey, and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply for 10 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Turmeric fades dark spots and honey hydrates your skin. Remedy 2. Rice flour and milk pack. Take 2 TBSP rice flour, 2 TBSP milk, and mix until creamy. Apply gently and scrub in circular motions. Rice flour brightens while milk gives an even, soft tone. Remedy 3. Aloe vera and rose. Water gel blend fresh aloe vera with rose water and apply daily at night. This soothes skin, reduces pigmentation, and restores your natural glow. Remedy 4. Potato juice brightener. Grate a potato, extract the juice, and apply it using cotton. Potato enzymes help lighten dark areas naturally. Daily habits to maintain even skin tone. Now let's talk about what you do every day, because that's what truly transforms your skin. 1. Always use sunscreen, even indoors. 2. Exfoliate once or twice a week to remove dead cells. 3. Stay hydrated, 2 to 3 liters of water daily. 4. Eat vitamin-rich foods, oranges, berries, and green veggies. Sleep 7 or 8 hours to allow skin repair. 6. Avoid harsh soaps or bleaching creams. They damage your barrier. Quick night routine for even skin. Before bed, follow this 3-step night ritual for glowing, even skin. 1. Cleanse your face with mild face wash. 2. Tone with rose water or green tea. 3. Moisturize using aloe vera gel or vitamin E oil. Consistency is the secret. Your skin tone will start balancing out in a few weeks. And that's it, beauties. You don't need filters, just a little care, patience, and these natural remedies. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Musktips, and share it with someone who wants clear, glowing skin. See you in the next video. Until then, stay confident, stay glowing.